This week we have some exciting updates coming to HighLevel, lots of analytics, which is going to make it easier to know where your traffic is coming from. The first update is about the traffic sources. So now we have analytics for the traffic sources. You can use it by going to analytics and then traffic sources. You can pick your date range and then you'll see the channel discount. You can see the sources, the traffic channels, and it's going to use the same color system. So paid social, organic social, search are always going to be the same colors. And it was just rolled out. So I'll show you an example in one of my sub accounts. You need to go to sites and then you need to look for analytics. And I'm looking at the funnels. Currently looking at all funnels. You can check for a specific funnel, but let's just look at the last 7 days. So we'll see page views is around the same. We have more opt-ins this week, and the opt-in conversion rate also improved, which is nice. By clicking on the conversion rate, you get another view, but now we are interested in the page views. So you'll see the top browsers. Most of the users are using Chrome or iOS. You see the IP addresses and the countries. And you can also switch to states and cities as well to have the specific cities, but this is not 100% accurate. For now, we can see that most of the traffic is coming from the US. And then here's the acquisition data. So here's what we are looking for. So we have referral traffic, direct traffic, paid search, and unknown. And you see it was just added 2 days ago. So it's a really new feature. We need some more days to get some detailed updates of the analytics, but I think it's going to help in the future. And the next update I have is also related to this. It's just the state and city breakdown. If we go back to HighLevel, since this update was rolled out 2 days ago, let's select a different time frame. Oh, but not from July, just the last 2 days. And let's see if anything changes. So we still have the countries, states. I'm actually working in the US. We see all the different states. And for cities, it's also working. And then here's the breakdown. So great update to the analytics side. You will be able to see more information inside HighLevel because recently I was just using Google Analytics for this because it gave you some more data. But now HighLevel is stepping up and we'll have some more information as well. The next update we have this week for HighLevel is the email and SMS stats. Just an update to the user interface. You'll have a cleaner look. And here's an example image. For the emails, SMS, and internal notifications, you see which percentage was delivered, and then the open rate, click rate if you have a link inside, and then bounce and reply rate as well. For the SMS, it's also important to see the failed and opted out data. So yeah, now it will be available for email, SMS, internal notification as well. And you'll be able to see your data more clearly. You can access these in your automations. If you have active email automations, I can also show it in one of the sub accounts. Go to automations and then let's look at is now you don't need to delete or recreate plans with live customers. You can just update the existing plans and the existing customers won't see the changes either. So it will be easier moving forward. And then here's an image on how it's going to look. The next update to HighLevel this week is coming to the WordPress. It was requested by lots of users, so now it's finally live. You can rename your WordPress site directly from HighLevel. So you see on the screenshot, you can modify the site name by going on to sites, WordPress, and then just clicking here, you can change the name. So it's going to instantly update. So these changes are reflected in real time. And this is not going to affect any SEO or site title. This is just for I'm sorry. This is just for HighLevel to stay more organized. So it's just a small change, but it's going to have a big impact, especially if you are hosting multiple sites inside your sub account. It's going to work well. And again, it's just something that's a small change that was requested so much. Now it's going to make your life easier inside HighLevel. The next update is just a bug fix coming to the active calls. So earlier, if you were using the web dialer, the active call didn't work with the take note feature. So now, once you are taking a call inside the web dialer, you can also take some notes. And once you save it, it's automatically going to update under the contacts. You see the notes here. These notes will be shown on contact details. So you no longer need to do it separately and then finish the call, look at your notes and then go inside contacts. It's going to save you a couple of steps using this way. Next, we also have some updates to the SaaS subaccount. It's a new feature, so now you can apply special prices when enabling SaaS mode for existing subaccounts. So you see on the screenshot, we have the standard plan, we have the professional and premium plan, and you can create a special price. You can also use a 7-day trial period and then give them complimentary credits and also include a snapshot. So this is super powerful. You see here are all the 3 packages that you can offer, and then here are the features and then what's different between them. So for example, with the premium, you also get surveys, funnels, affiliate manager, and web chat, as well as some more templates. And then there are the full details, but now you can customize the price. And it's best if you are running promotions or maybe you want to test different price points because you are currently selling well, your conversion rate is high, and you want to raise prices to make more money. Now you can test different price points or you can run some discounts because we have Black Friday coming up, we have Christmas coming up, so it's the perfect promo season. And now with special prices on the SaaS mode, you are going to be able to set it for existing sub accounts. The next update we have is a Calendly integration. So I personally use Calendly in my funnels instead of the HighLevel calendar. And the update this week is now you can use the same Calendly account across multiple sub accounts. So if you have maybe 2 sub accounts for your business, but you want to offer a personal one-on-one call and you want to use the same Calendly link, now it's going to be possible. You can connect the same Calendly accounts just like you can do with the Google Calendar, Outlook, iCloud, and multiple users within the same sub account can also connect to the same Calendly account. It's basically just for easier and more consistent calendar features, best if you are handling multiple clients. And the last update we have is new templates. As every week we have some new templates, new website, funnel, email templates, and we also have a new snapshot for home services. This is going to be specifically for pressure washing. So as always, let's give it a look. Let's go inside HighLevel and let's check the new snapshot. So we are going to open a new sub account. Let's switch to the agency mode. Let's go to sub accounts. And then we are going to create a sub account with a snapshot template. And I'm going to use the pressure washing. Select and continue. And we'll just add the information manually. I just fill out whatever because you can change this later. Pressure washing, add a phone number and an address. Maybe I just use California, United States. Then Anaheim. And we can add a sub account. Even if the data is incorrect, you can create it. And then let's see what's inside the sub account. All right, so we have the details. Let's look at the features. Everything is enabled. And then at the advanced settings, everything's good. So let's jump into the pressure washing sub account we just opened. And let's look at the calendars, if it has any calendar included. There's no calendar inside. Let's look at opportunities to see the funnel that they created. Oh, it doesn't have a pipeline. Let's look at the funnels. No. There's no website, so I'm wondering maybe if he didn't give it proper access. So just check it in a second. But those are the updates for this week. Just a super quick live video. I haven't been so active this week because I'm just sick the whole week, but I really wanted to keep this live going and then give you some high-level updates for this week. Alright, that's all for today. But if you have any more questions regarding meta ads or high-level strategies, just let me know, comment down below the video, and I'll make sure to respond to them. Otherwise, in the description, you are going to find two links. The first is going to be my free school community. Currently, we have over 360 members, and it's the perfect place if you are just starting on your journey with meta ads on HighLevel, and it's completely free. So you are welcome to join. It's a great community. And if you are looking for something more, there's a 14-day free trial to HighLevel, and it's also going to give you a free access to my paid community, which is currently $47 per month. So you can grab the free trial using the link in my description, and then I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video.